Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we will tell you what is Favicon in HTML programming. So first of all we'll define what is Favicon. Favicon is a graphic image that is associated with any of your web page or any of your website. What is the meaning of this? Let's explain. When you open any website like w3school.com, here is the small image. This is called a Favicon image. When you open the virtual university website, here is again a small image. This is called a Favicon image. Now how you can create a Favicon image for your website? So let's start. First of all, you will create a folder in any of your computer drive and give name as you want. We will give name project 2. After this we will open VS Code. You can use any of your editor for coding. I would suggest the VS Code is the best editor. In VS Code I will open the save folder. Now the folder is opened. Then I will download a Favicon image that is used in our web page. For this I will select my email image and download in the same folder that is created and give name like Favicon and save. Now the image is saved. Yeah, here you see the Favicon image is downloaded. Then I will create a HTML file, favicon.html, and after this we will use Emmet abbreviation to open the boilerplate. Now here we will give a heading Favicon and give a small paragraph. I will use lorem. Now the file is created. We will check the output from here. Yeah, now the file is created. Our web page is now ready, but there is a no Favicon image here as virtual university. In w3school.com there is a small graphic image, but in our web page there is no Favicon image. Now how you can create a Favicon image? For this, let's start. In the head tag, after title tag, we will give a new tag, link tag, and we will change its attribute. REL is icon and the href is favicon.jpg, the address of our image. Now we will use a new attribute, type is equal to X icon. Now save and come here again our output and refresh the web page. Yeah, now you see the Favicon image is created. So hope you enjoy our video. For more interesting video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Allah Hafiz.